Hey y'all, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making Cajun corn ribs. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need corn on the cob, fresh parsley, garlic, butter, Parmesan cheese, brown sugar, Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and hot sauce. Begin by cutting the corn into quarters. Stand the corn upright, then cut into half. Lay them down, kernel side up, and cut in half again. Chop up some parsley. Mince 4 cloves of garlic. For the Cajun butter, melt 2 sticks of butter. Add minced garlic and parsley. Add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. Season with Creole seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. Mix until combined. Brush the Cajun butter on the corn. If you would like, you can lightly season the corn with Creole seasoning after brushing on the butter. Bake at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Once it's done, brush on some more Cajun butter. Garnish with Parmesan cheese. Pair it with our blackened ranch, which will be available on our blog linked below. And there you have it, Cajun corn ribs. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.